Hey, good morning. It's Thursday, November the 12th. Um, I've been looking over and checking to see if you're turning in work, and some of you are not turning in your work every day, and that's going to make it kind of hard for you because you're going to start getting further and further behind. So in class, we're going to do 30 minutes of iStation, and then we're going to just do a quotation mark sheet because we need to practice doing that because it seems like not everybody knows how to do that. So we're going to practice that. If you are way behind, you probably need to not do the iStation until maybe later today and get to work on turning in things that you haven't turned in yet. Those IXLs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were assigned on the 4th, and some of you haven't even done one yet. So you need to make sure you do those. Those are in 6th grade language arts. C1, Ancient Egypt. That was a couple days ago, so just don't get too far behind. It's really hard to catch up when you get far behind. So if you just do the little bit that we do every day, that would probably be good for you. So I've emailed some of you and things that you're missing, and tomorrow, when I've checked everything, I'll email anybody who's still missing some assignments. So get those turned in. Keep your grades up. I'm a little different learning this way, I know, but you need to stay at it. And email me if you have questions. So we are going to do that for English. We are going to do a quotation mark sheet that you have. It is a Google slide, so you need to make sure you open it by clicking on the pencil. And you're going to type to write your sentences. To put in quotes where they go, you can do it one of two ways. You can use the pen, make sure it's thin, not a real heavy one, and put the quotes where they go, or you could just click on the A and then type in where they go. But you'll need to type in the sentences. Don't try writing those. It'll be a mess. So for English, that's what we're doing today. Yesterday, we worked on watched that video for Veterans Day and answered 6 questions. A couple of you did turn that in, but not everybody. So you need to make sure you finish that. We're finishing the amulet facts. There are 3 sites listed on there, so you need to make sure you fill that in on your sheet I sent you. And then IXL C2 is about ancient Egyptian religion. So you'll need to go through that. And you know, when you do an IXL on social studies, you have to go to the end. It's not like the language arts where you go until you get a certain percent. You have to go all the way through it. So, and make sure you do that. And that's what we're doing today for social studies and English. So if you have questions, you can email me and I'll email you back just as soon as I can. And again, you need to make sure you stay with it and keep up with us. If you haven't turned in the DOL, you need to do that. If you haven't turned in things from Monday and Tuesday or yesterday, you need to do that. Or if there's something from last week, you still need to do that, because if you don't turn it in, that means a 0 in the grade book, and that really hurts your grade. So make sure you do that. And email me if you have questions, and hope you have a good day, and hope you're back at school soon. Okay, see you later.